So what is a brittleness test on a shingle roof? So a lot of times you hear a conversation about doing a brittleness test or repairability factor. And so kind of what that usually expresses is the ability of a roof to be repaired. Now, the first thing you have to overcome is making sure you can actually get something that matches the material enough to repair it. Some states require that you actually have to match the exact material, but other ones basically say, well, if it fits, it fits. So the next step is a brittleness test. Some carriers recognize this, some don't. And so what a brittleness test is, you carefully extract a small area of shingle, usually about 1 foot is what you want to aim for, about the size of 1 tab on a 3 tab. And first off, I gently put my finger under here. So I tested how hard it was to separate the shingle. It wasn't hard at all. Next, you lift up gently, about 15 degrees. And you're just going to kind of relax. And you're just going to kind of lift it up to about there. And so what you should see is you should see that little bow there. And you should be able to see the nail. So the idea is that the hammer has to be able to swing at the nail like this. So that's about how high you want to lift it. No more. Set it down. Gently wipe it with your hands. Now what we're looking for is a lot of granule loss. We're looking for cracking. And so this would be a pass. Now when you're looking at an entire roof that needs to be repaired, the south side is most likely to fail a brittleness test due to the sun exposure drying it out, whereas the north side is the most likely to pass.